This is a Kenmore model 84. It's a 1.2 amp all metal straight zigzag machine until you add a pattern cam. It does come with a complete set of cams, which includes 16. As you can see, it is a high shank machine, needle homes on the left, uses 15 by 1 needles, class 15 bobbins. It is all metal. It's a gunmetal gray in color. It has an automatic button holder built in here on this knob. Adjustable stitch width, adjustable stitch length, and feed dog drop. And this is your power button, and of course your bobbin winder here. It's a nice heavy-duty machine. PDF copy of the instruction manual is included. Don't remember if I already said that. Easy machine to operate. And it will fit in a Kenmore cabinet or carrying case, or it's tabletop ready. Here's zigzag. Now this is a regular high shank Kenmore. It's not a super high shank. There is a difference. This machine just uses standard high shank feet and attachments, not the top slotted super high shank. I'm going to put in a cam to do a pattern. Cam patterns are not width adjustable. Has to stay on 0 for the cam to work. Of course, your length is always adjustable. You can make it tight or long. Very nice stitch. And there are 16 cams, 5 layers of denim. It's only 5 because that's how big the sample was. I'm using a size 16 needle. Figure out what that banging noise is. It's not noisy on zigzag. It's straight stitch. Nature of the beast, I guess. Nice stitch on that. This is 14 layers of cotton. And last but not least, we're going to do 3 layers of garment leather. Without a hitch. This is a beast of a machine. Of course, it's non-industrial. Simple domestic leather projects. This machine will do the job. Perfect stitch on the 3 layers of leather. And that is your Kenmore Model 84 1.2 amp cam machine.